Good afternoon, everyone. Mike again from TekDMC, coming to you with an instructional video regarding our library via Allmoxy. Today's lesson is going to be on the components catalog. So obviously, if we've gone through the base, wall, and talls, and everyone knows that to finish that job up, those contractors are going to need some components, whether that be simple crown, light rails, toe kicks, extra edge banding, or possibly even some replacement doors and drawer fronts. This also will allow for, in the future, if that customer decides they want to change out doors and drawer fronts, they will have the ability to come to your website and individually order those doors and drawer fronts, thus saving them time and money and allowing you repeat customers. So the base door, upper door, and tall door are pretty much all coded the same. So whether or not you're a manufacturer that allows finishing and staining, once again, within the Allmoxy website, we can turn on and off anything that you want your customer to be able to see or that you don't want to be able to manufacture. The door, it allows them to choose what style and out of what material. And then let's say it's a solid wood door, it allows them to also choose the details of the panel, the inside, the outside, and the mitered. Type in a quick width, type in a quick height, and realize that you saw that this height was already in here, and that's because in the shortcut presets, my base height is set at 34.5 for standard. My toe kick is set at 4 inches. My reveals are set at 1/4 and 0. So that's where this 30.5 is coming from.